What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can read and clear codes on your 2026 Kawasaki ZX-10R. Now, if you remove your rear seat and you get into this section here, this little foam block, there is a red clip in here. All you have to do is take that out of the foam block, and there's like a little cover plate in this to cover the 6-pin connector. Just pop that out with a normal clip, and then you need an adapter to an OBD2 reader. So I got this adapter on Amazon for like 13 bucks. Ain't nothing to it. It arrived next day, so we're going to read the codes on this bike because when I was doing the integrated taillight, I turned it on to test it while I didn't have all the relays plugged in, and I accidentally set off the engine code. So we're going to show you how to read it and clear it because I know everything on this bike is good to go. So when you turn the bike on, obviously power will get sent to your OBD2 sensor or your OBD2 reader, and then this is just a cheap Amazon special one that I got. I use it in my Civic mainly, but you can use it to read the codes. And I actually don't have any codes because I already cleared it accidentally and I didn't have my mic on, so you can't see it, but I will show a picture up on screen. Basically, it threw a code, which no big deal. And you can come over to clear the DTC, and you can ask if you want to erase the codes, and then it will. And then you can just exit out of that. No big deal. And then when you come over to the bike, I just turn it off, and then I turn it back on, and then you shouldn't have a check engine light any longer. So now once you cycle the bike again, I have it running. I don't know how well you can hear me, but it's now self-checked and the engine light is gone because everything is good to go. And that is how you check and clear your 2026 Kawasaki ZX-10R error code.